welcome back to the channel. So guys, in today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be unboxing my tripod. Yay! So this tripod was my Christmas present that my mom gave to me, so I am very happy, and I hope with this tripod I am able to post more videos, more nice videos, being consistent in 2021.
What?
Hey.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
2022, guys. It still feels a little weird saying 2022, so you get the feel. So let's get into this unboxing. Ordered it from Amazon, and it came in about 4 days, so it was very fast. Let's get into it. I'm gonna use a pen to open it.
I can see it in your eyes. You've seen the moon and its darker side. I can feel the gravity, the forces pull between you and me.
Wow, guys, this is it. So yeah, this is it. So let's open it. So it's basically these three things. This is the tripod. So this is it. I really like how small it looks. I know it's not small because when I was buying it, it says it's very adjustable. I know it's not small, but I like how it can be folded into this little, you can take it out with you wherever you're going, when you're going hiking, yeah, I like how portable it is. Yeah, so now let's see what's inside. Ooh. So guys, this is it. Okay, so this is it. This is how little it is. So this is the table stand. You put it on the table and yeah, you sit and just record. And you can also adjust it by moving, see? So that's just one. And then you close it. So let's just do all the ones. And then you close it. And then you close it. It becomes like this. And then you can also make it a little longer, more like that. Or even make it way longer. So guys, I really like how it's very long, you can tell. Look at this.
I can feel the gravity, the forces pull between you and me.
Yeah, this is it. Let me show you guys in the full view. So this is it, guys. It's very long. Yes guys, so this tripod right here is my new baby. Okay, it's gonna make the reason why I bought it is because when I'm making a video I have to stock a lot of stuff to put my camera on, but now getting this, it's easier. This tripod is 50 inches, so when you're buying it, look for 50 inches. I got it for $24, so it's a little cheap because some other tripods cost over $100. So this is very cheap, $24, 50 inches, and it's from, I think it's called Torjim. I don't know the brand name. Torjim, however you say it. But so let me show you guys how you can put a phone on it. Before that, let me tell you this. You can put a camera on it, so in case I get a camera. So if I get a camera, you can put a camera on it, and yeah, you can also put a phone on it. So this is the phone's handle. So we can do it this way. So it comes with this hole. So you can either put it this way and put your phone this way, or do it this way. I don't know. Wait, no. Or do it this way, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna do it this way because it makes the most sense. So let me show you guys. So this is it, right? Okay guys, so I am going to be putting the phone for you guys to see how to do it. This is how you do it. Just carry this part a little bit like this, and then you put the phone and lock it in. Just like that.
I will be standing here all through the night, till the stars above.
And I'm not sure what this does. I'm trying to test it out, but I don't know. I think the phone needs to be on, but this one is off. But yeah, so I'm gonna test it out and let you guys know what it does. So if you want to order it, click the link in my description box. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And comment down below your thoughts about this. If you have a tripod, let me know the brand you use. And if you want to order this, go into my description box. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.